This is Pink Floyd Sunday, and it is the delicate sound of thunder, and this is the remastered version of the original album. Is it better than the original album? Hell yeah. This is the original album next to each other. That's the Fat Boy case, and that's the nice kind of Japanese style thing that they do. And I prefer, I like both. They both have different qualities. I prefer the cover. I'm kind of getting used to this cover, but night and day, completely night and day. This is very muddy, the mix in this. You can't hear any of the rest of the band kind of overemphasizing Dave Gilmour's excellent guitar playing. And this one you can hear everything. You're fully immersed in this one, and it is just absolutely fantastic. It's fantastic on Amazon. I actually watched it on YouTube last night, and I discovered there was two versions of it. One is minus another brick in the wall, and that's the only thing I don't like about this version. Is I didn't really like the version of another brick in the wall on this album. But the YouTube video also didn't put in that version, so I thought that was a little bit telling. But still though, I'm still going to give this 10 out of 10. I'll give this 7 out of 10. And if you don't have either of these, get this. And it's just absolutely fantastic. If you're on Amazon, it's fantastic. If you're on YouTube, check out the YouTube video. And yeah, this is just absolutely brilliant. I'll just put this one over here. And yeah, this one is just absolutely fantastic. And they really remastered this very well. Even the saxophone solo, which I had an issue in the original mix, that had disappeared. There's no sax solo issue in this version of Events. And what I found funny was when I was looking at the 4K version of it on YouTube, the 80s style of some of the band members, the keyboard player, the sax player with his long hair, the perms, and David Gilmour's Don Johnson jacket. It was just funny, but I couldn't help but chuckle every now and then. But yeah, other than that though, it was just an absolutely fantastic concert. And is it as good as Pulse? Almost getting there, but I think Pulse wins out. There's a better version of Another Brick in the Wall on Pulse. So, but yeah, way far superior. If you, as I said, if you don't have either of them, get this. And if you just have this one, get this. And if you're a collector, you're going to get that one anyway. So that's the way I look at it. And yeah, this is just absolutely fantastic. This is what it looks like inside. There's just the CDs. Well, yeah, there's a booklet here. Kind of prefer that actually than I prefer that to that, and it's a good kind of, yeah, but I prefer that one. But yeah, you have the booklet, 2 CDs, and then the booklet is very similar to what we got in the other booklet, so not too much of a difference. There's Dave without the Don Johnson jacket. Nick, and Richard. And more photos all around the world. It was filmed in New York. I'll have to get this on the actual 4K disc if it's available. I think it is. I know Pulses, and I'm going to get that eventually. Get around to getting that, and enjoy it properly with the surround sound. And yeah, this is really a good concert, and definitely the go-to rather than the original. And yeah, that's all I can say on this one, except yeah, thank you for watching the videos. Hold on now, I'm not putting this back right. Keep on watching the videos. I love getting the comments and the feedback. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, please do. It helps the channel grow and get into all the different algorithms. So this is Stevie G and Pink Floyd Sunday, and I highly recommend Delicate Sound of Thunder, the 2019 remix. Absolutely fantastic. It is very immersive. You think you are there, and it's just awesome stuff.